Spending groups help isolate what sales the club wants to analyze. Each spending group is a column on the report that is based on the club's setup of item groups, sales reporting categories, or business areas. Spending groups can be set up as individualized groups, for example, creating a separate spending group each for beer, wine, and liquor, or a consolidated group, for example, creating a combined alcohol spending group. The setup will be based on the club's preference. To create a new spending group, navigate to Club Management, Membership Demographics, and Set up Spending Groups. From here, go ahead and select your club and choose Add another spending group. First, you can start off by entering a group code, which will be a maximum of 10 characters. You'll also want to enter your column description. Then you can decide what group type you want to use, and your options are as follows. For item group, these work with club sales areas to define what sort of things are being sold in each area. They provide the rules for taxes, applicability to minimums, and revenue GL posting. They also act as a link to point of sale. Your next option is sales reporting categories. These are supplemental codes for categorizing spending. They can be set up to link to existing club sales areas and club item groups to provide more summarized reporting. Lastly is business areas. Business areas are an optional system used to separate charges and payments into different functional groups for the purpose of reporting on each group's aging. It has the effect of segmenting the AR subledger into different sections for aging, reporting, and display on member statements. Common examples are house, dues, pro shop, and more. Depending on the group type selected, you're going to add the sales area, sales reporting category, or business area to the table that should be linked to the spending group. You can do so by using the magnifying glass to open up the F2 lookup. Let's take a look at a couple examples we already have created. So if you're creating individual spending groups, such as our beer, liquor, and wine, you may only need to add one field to the table. So for example, you can see we have our beer code. Alternatively, if you are consolidating spending groups, so let's take a look at the alcoholic beverages, you can add each field to this table. So for example, you see our beer, wine, and liquor. Once you've made all your adjustments, go ahead and click OK to save those changes.